Hi, welcome back to the channel. A while ago I shipped out a Saab engine. I think it was from a 9.3 or a 9, possibly a 9.5, I'm not 100% sure, but I've finally decided that the project it's going in, I'm just going to make a start on it because it's been on the drive a few years and I've got motivation to get it done now. So what I'm going to do, I'll go through the whole car with you, go through bits that need doing, bits I've started to do and just left it. It's been on the drive for about 4-5 years. It needs quite a bit of welding. It needs brake lines right through, back axle's off, so all the back axle needs doing, complete rebuild, new bushes in it all. I need to remove what's left of the old engine that's in it and then refit the Saab engine, remake engine mounts. There's going to be quite a bit of like fabrication work on the Saab engine, just stuff I want to modify, stuff I want to upgrade. So yeah, that's what I'll do, turn you round and then we'll go through it and make a quick video out of it. So yeah, let's turn you around and have a look. So here's the car. It's a Vectra B GSI 2.5 V6, and yeah, it needs, bodywork's not too bad on it. It does need arches. If we go down here, that's where it needs welding. Common fault on the inner arches. It does need the arches doing, but not too bad. So it's covered in cobwebs and dirt and everything else, purely because it's been sat here for so long. But yeah, that's like the main welding part on it. As you can see, no back axle, but it's all pretty clean underneath. So it just needs good clean, get rid of the surface rust, and then probably put a rust preventer on it, lead oxide, and then full under seal on the whole lot. Sorry about the sun glare, it's sunny today. On the front, coilovers, yeah, it's not, the front end of it's not too bad. Bit of rust killer there and there. Clean up all the inner arches, repaint them. Brakes, yeah, it needs discs, pads all round, but I'm possibly going to be making, it did have Brembos on it. What I'm thinking of doing is putting the Brembos back on with new brackets. Let's have a look. Bonnet's up. Engine, it's already half stripped. I stripped it years ago and it's just been left ever since. So, but say this engine's coming out and Saab engine putting in, we need to put an engine mount here, but I've got the original engine mount off the Saab, so I think it's just a case of that can be just re-welded back in, and that's it. I'm hoping. Headlights need a restore. But I can do a video on them just to restore them. But yeah, so it doesn't look as bad as what it is, or should I say it looks bad, but it's not too bad. You know, it's alright. Like, say the rear wheel arches, not too bad. It's a common problem where they go. Inside, it's actually not that bad. Yeah, it's been sat for a few years, but see, all the old engine parts have just been dumped in here. Seats, again, just need a really good clean. In the back, just radiator, engine parts, it's just in here is really good condition. It just needs a really good clean and getting all these old parts out that I'm not gonna need anymore. In the boot, again, it's just full of Saab parts. Sun's glaring bad here, but yeah, it's not too bad. Hoping to get the engine out in the next day or two. Straight down this side again. That's just there. That's where they all go. So all underneath, it's not bad. It's just a good clean. Repaint everything, renew stuff. Yeah, it's all solid underneath. But yeah, that's the worst part of it. Which I'm not really too bothered about. All down this side, you know, it's in really good. It just needs a good wash, to be honest. So yeah, that's where that's where we're at with the Saab engine project. So a lot of it's been done already, but it's been stripped out a while ago. So I think a lot of it's just gonna be fit the Saab engine in. I'll take this engine out. I'll do a video taking this engine out. I'll do a video with the Saab engine going in, but the Saab engine will probably be in a dozen times, in and out, with us doing different modifications to it, and you know, so yeah, I've had no motivation to do this car up until about now, and now I'm feeling right, let's get it done, let's get it off the drive, let's get it running. I've always fancied doing it. I was going to leave the V6 in, but when I'd come across the Saab and the Saab engine, I was like, yeah, let's Saab this and let's see what we can do. There's loads of different things to do. There'll be videos on wiring. There'll be all different kinds of videos. Don't want to do like every single week doing this. I want to do 1 or 2 videos, then do something else, and come back to this. I don't want to be doing it all the time, and it all depends on parts as well. It'll depend on what's available at the time, or if something needs modifying, I'll have to wait for modifying parts to do. But yeah, let's get this project done. See, there's bits of mould and stuff. It's just because it's been sat for so long. I say it's mainly like arches that need doing. But yeah, it's time to crack on with it and get it done. Back axle, it's all in bits. It needs basically sandblasting, rust preventer, red oxide, and then probably just paint it black, really. A good black hammerite. So yeah, this is the project the Saab's going in. All these bits here, they're just cobwebs, dirt. It does need a good wash, but I'm not going to wash it until we've got the Saab engine in. These all handprints and paintwork's actually really good. It just needs a good buff. So yeah, that's the Saab project. So inside, all the arches are good. It's good all the way down. The surface rust. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's the Saab project. If you like the project, if you want to see a bit of a series on it, like, subscribe, share, drop your comments down below of things that you'd like to see me do to it, whether it being a Saab upgrade. I've got Saab engine I've got is a B205, and I know a lot of people will be like, oh no, you should go for the B204, but the B205 was the only engine I had that was available, full car, cheap enough, and yeah, so right, happy days. Let's get cracking on this project. Thanks, keep watching, bye.